A balloon is rising vertically up with a velocity of 29 meters per second. A stone is dropped from it and reaches the ground in 10 seconds. The height of the balloon when the stone was dropped is. So let us take this as point A here, right? And now the balloon is going up. At a particular point the stone drops. Let us say this is point B. When the body is just dropped, it has the same velocity as that of the balloon, because while it was with the balloon it had a velocity 29 meters per second. So when it just releases here, it will have a velocity of 29 meters per second. And so what happens is it goes up and then comes back down, right? So let us say this topmost point is C. Now he's saying that the time for the stone to go from B to C and from C back to A is 10 seconds. And he's asking us what is this height, the height at which the stone was dropped. So we'll write the equations between B and A. So between B and A, right? So what is the initial velocity at B? The initial velocity u equals to, let us fix our coordinate axis. Let us take upwards as negative, downwards as positive. It is your wish, you can choose downwards as negative and upwards as positive also. Finally you will get the correct answer. So the initial velocity when the body was at B is 29 meters per second in the upward direction. So we will write this as minus 29 meters per second. Next, the acceleration of the body is always g downward. It is in a state of free fall, so it is always g downward. G is downward and downward we have positive, so we will take this as 9.8 meters per second square. He is saying that the time for it to go from B to C and then back to A, t equals to 10 seconds. Now we just need to find what is the displacement. What is this displacement? And we will get what is the height from which it was dropped. We can use the formula S equals to ut plus half at square. Substituting these values, we get S equals to minus 29 into 10 plus half into 9.8 into 10 square. By solving this, we get S equals to 200 meters. So this is the answer to our question. So the body was dropped when the balloon was at a height of 200 meters from the ground. So the balloon is going up, and when it was at 200 meters, this was dropped.